Yeah, this is a home for Apostle Dunamis. Panapa ndo pamusha. Vanombofarisa vachienda mtu machano. But kana Apostle Dunamis any story yauda kubreaka. He knows the number one journalist in the country, the number one podcast.
The number one channel. I'm peace.
To be sir.
I'm peace.
We are untouchable.
Untouchable. Unbeatable.
Akanemi muri pizza.
Sando dzedu zitopanana tega
atimirire
vanhu.
Most people will not give. I think we should set the record straight. But they will not give us our flowers. I was talking about this Twitter podcast about Twitter who always say negative things about us, and they always cast aspersion. They always want to create a narrative. They always want to say bad things without a show, without a D. And I saw them renting. Not renting, they are not renting, they cannot afford. I saw them squattering at a studio, which we once used. We used that studio a long time ago, and their ambassador, Onward Gibson. They cannot afford a camera, they cannot afford just a normal seat like this, they cannot sit on a chair, they cannot even get the stories. You know what they were doing on that podcast? I go better phone, I was reading my comments. I said, comment yakadai. Zero creativity. And zero charisma. Vanenge vachingosapotana and vari kutwitter vacho vazhinji vacho hapana, they cannot afford kuuya kuzoona zviri kuitika kufacebook because kutwitter they will be breaking kuti taita 7,000 reach 10,000 reach kufacebook over that 200 followers. They are shameful.
They are shameful.
Despicable.
Anyway, I think you are
no, they cannot come here. This is a platform in a dignity. Pangana na apostle, pangana na rima na evangelist marufu. Oya zogadza na penzura. For what sake?
Anyway,
vagari ku studio yaya vanenge vari vanopiwa na ambassador Onward
sound. Anyway, people's journey. I know team one pana ngakutsangusa vafana vadiki chivaregererai.
They are young.
Vafana vadiki chivaregererai timbotaure na.
Anyway, last thing they said Hansba kuti taura kwa muri kuti poster, we are actually giving us a free promo. Yes, because they cannot afford a promo with us. So we can give them, but even after we give them, kuna nekuti even kwapa pena kwapa mukadzi uyu number wakwanise kumupa. That is so we can give them a free promo because we know that they will not use it well. But anyway, tombotanga tamboita hacha.
Apostle Murise.
Ina ndichika sindotochika kuchika kwacho nokuti ndokunochikisa.